So in this video we will be discussing about the division of decimal, first of all by a whole number. So how will you divide a decimal number by a whole number? This is the topic. So let's take some examples and then we will discuss it. Suppose you have to divide 0.4 by 2. So to divide 0.4 by 2, first of all you have to remove this decimal, and to remove this decimal you have to see how many it is before how many digit. The decimal is before how many digit. As here the decimal is before 1 digit, so you have to write the number divided by 10. If the decimal is before 1 digit, then you will divide it by 10. If the decimal is before 2 digit, then here you have to write 100. If the decimal is before 3 digit, then you have to write here 1000. As the decimal is before 1 digit, so it is 4 by 10. That means decimal we have to write in fraction. So it will be 4 divided by 10. This way we can remove the decimal. The first thing is you have to remove the decimal this way. Now division, then here it is 2 and nothing means here you can give by 1 equal to 4 by 10. Now you know with how to do it, do this division. In place of division you can write multiplication sign, then reciprocal of this. That means 1 will go in the numerator place and 2 will come in the denominator place. This, now you can divide this 4 by 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. There you will have 2 1 is 2 by 10. Now you see here how many zeros are there. It is 1 0. That means you have to give the decimal before one number. Here it is 2, 1 digit is there, so point will go before 1 digit. That means 2. Before 2 you have to give the point. That means answer is 0.2. Why you have to give the point before 1 digit only? Because here you have 1 0. This. Let's discuss one more example, then you will understand it. Suppose number 2 is 0.35 divided by 5. The first step is you have to remove this decimal. So you write the number 35 divided by. Now you see this decimal is before how many digit? It is before 2 digit, 1 2. So you have to divide this 35 by 100. It is because the decimal is before 2 digit. 35 by 100 you have to write. That means you have to write the decimal in the form of fraction. Now divided by 5, nothing means you can give 1. Now equal to 35 by 100. Now you know it, in place of division you can give multiplication, then 1 will go there and 5 will come into denominator place. Now you can divide this 35 by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35. That means 7 into 1 is 7 divided by 100. Now you see how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Simply give the point before 2 digit. Here you have 1 digit. Write the digit, as we have to give the point before 2 digit because here you have 2 zeros. So take one more 0 here and give the point here. So your answer will be 0.07. Why you have to give the point before 2 digit? Because here you have 2 zeros. So this way you have to do. Let's take one more example and the last example. After that you have to do it. Suppose number 3 is your 651.2 divided by 4. So let's divide it. So first step is you have to remove this decimal. So to remove this decimal, 6512. Let's see, the decimal is before how many digit? 1 digit. It is just before 2, that means 1 digit before the decimal is, that is why you have to divide this number by 10. Remember, if before 1 digit, then by 10. If before 2 digit the decimal is, then you have to divide by 100. If before 3 digit the decimal is, then you have to divide by 1000. This way it will go. Now divided by 4, nothing means you can give 1, equal to 6512 by 10. Division sign will become multiplication, then 1 will go to the numerator, 4 will come to the denominator place. Now divide this number by 4. 4 1s are 4, and 4 how much is 6512? Let's see, 6512, 4 1s are 4, 2 25, 4 6 are 24, 1 11, 4 2s are 8, 3 2, 4 8s are 32. That means if you divide 6512 by 4, then it will be 1628. That means here you have 1628 divided by 10. Now you have to give the decimal again, as here you have 10 only, so you have to give the decimal before 1 digit. So 162.8. this is the answer. So this way you have to complete it.